you guys, it's your girl Janelle, aka Jaylana, and y'all see I'm in the mood, I'm hyped, but this is my morning face for real. Anyways, we're just gonna get started, and I had sectioned my hair the night before, so I have 8 braids in the back, and then in the front I'm going to do 3 braids. And I'm going to use the braiding hair, and I use 5 packs of those in the color number 4. And then I'm also going to add crochet hair to the braids so that I can get a little curly, effortless look, even though it took a lot of time. So I think stretching the hair was probably the longest part of this process, but parting my hair the night before definitely helped. And so I'm just going to take out those braids and moisturize them. Then I'm going to detangle and add some gel. And then for extra security, I'm going to be adding a rubber band to make sure that my hair is smooth and it looks sleek. Because y'all see I got that 3C, 4A hair. Ain't nothing good about that. Not that my hair is bad or anything, but you know, it's just a lot to work with and you want to make it look nice. So I'm just gonna keep on braiding. So I'm just going to take the crochet hair and I unevenly put it into the stretch braiding hair, and you're going to see that when I start braiding my hair, wherever I want the crochet hair to stick out, I just put it in my mouth. That way I don't get it tangled up with the braiding hair. So to make the style a little more unique, I'm just adding a skinny braid, and you guys, I cannot cornrow on myself, at least the small cornrows, because it was not tight at all. And I think my scalp is just sensitive, so anything I was doing right then and there was just hurting, so I was pretty much over it. But yeah, practice makes perfect, so I'm just going to keep trying to do that and eventually I'll get better. But yeah, this is my last section, and then I'm going to put the 3 braids in a ponytail on top of my head. My arms were really hurting, y'all. I'm not even playing. But anyway, I'm going to add some cute little childish little ballies. I don't know what they're called. The brand is Coco. But add the bally, and then I'm gonna put some mousse on my hair so it can set and stay in style. And then I did dip my ends, just so you guys know, dip those ends. You don't want to go outside looking crazy. From this point, I'm just accessorizing and playing with it, so you guys can do whatever you want from here if you decide to do this style. So if you guys like this style, make sure you like and subscribe and share it with your friends, and comment if you have any questions or comments, and I will be glad to get back to you guys. I always reply back to you guys. And yeah, just, you know, lay those edges, boo boo. And I'll see y'all in the next tutorial. Bye. Body on mine and collide, collide. When you put your body on, put your body on, put your body on, put your body, put your body on, put your body on mine and put your body collide. I need you right now.